Welcome to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Renika Hayes, and today we're going to talk about alimony in Texas, what it is, when it applies, and how the courts determine who qualifies for it. In Texas, alimony is referred to as spousal maintenance. Unlike other states, Texas law has strict guidelines for when alimony is granted. The courts only award it under certain circumstances, and it's typically limited in duration and amount. To qualify for spousal maintenance, the spouse requesting it must demonstrate that they lack sufficient property or income to meet their basic needs after the divorce. Additionally, they must meet one of two conditions. The marriage lasted 10 years or more, and the requesting spouse cannot support themselves. 2, the other spouse was convicted of family violence within the last 2 years. Let me give you a real-life scenario to show how this plays out in court. Take Lisa and Mark, who were married for 15 years. Lisa was a stay-at-home mom for most of the marriage, while Mark worked full-time and earned a substantial income. When they divorced, Lisa requested alimony, arguing that she hadn't been in the workforce for over a decade and didn't have the skills or experience to immediately find a job that would support her. Mark argued that Lisa should not receive alimony because Texas is not a generous alimony state, and she could eventually find work. However, the court found that Lisa qualified for spousal maintenance due to the length of the marriage and her financial dependence on Mark. The judge awarded her spousal maintenance for 3 years, giving her time to re-enter the workforce and support herself. It's important to note that spousal maintenance in Texas is not intended to be permanent. The court will look at several factors when determining the amount and duration, including the length of the marriage, the financial resources of both spouses, the education and work history of the requesting spouse, any history of family violence. The maximum amount of spousal maintenance in Texas is $5,000 per month, or 20% of the paying spouse's gross income, whichever is less. The length of time a spouse receives maintenance depends on the length of the marriage. For example, for a marriage lasting 10 to 20 years, the court may order maintenance for up to 5 years. If you're facing a divorce and are concerned about alimony and you're wondering if you qualify for spousal maintenance, it's important to have a strong legal strategy. Every case is unique, and the court will consider the specifics of your situation before making a decision. We offer a free 30-minute consultation where you can discuss your situation and help you understand your options regarding spousal maintenance. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it. Until next time, take care.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.